do you guys want me?
You're gonna be right here on the T.
Okay.
Facing that way. Welcome, Dave.
My pleasure. It's fun.
Thank you for making the time.
Of course.
I know there's a lot of energy in the room.
Yeah.
And I think about future of work and AI. When I think of those two words, what comes to your mind?
Oh man, it's the world has changed so massively. It's hard to believe, right? It's like AI is like this crazy promise of anything on the web, and I can create it in a document, so I have all this expertise at my fingertips, and I can use that for work, right? I don't have to worry about whether the teacher's going to say you can't use it. I can actually use it for work. It's like cool, right? This is a whole new world of creativity. It's astonishing.
Conversations at Amplify here.
Yeah.
You know, is that buzzing to see what's next? Do you feel like we're catching up, or just the next time this time next year it's going to be completely different?
I think this time next year it's going to be completely different. But the buzz is I'm using it, right? It's like this morning I need to create an LOI for a partnership. I sat down, I used Copilot, and something buzzed out. It's like, okay, now I can send it to the attorneys, and we're just kind of jump-starting the productivity. It's astonishing.
Well, you mentioned that, right? That you're starting to use it.
Yeah.
You know, not all organizations know where to start when it comes to AI.
Yeah.
So what are some tips or some things that you think they need to start doing to integrate AI in their organizational plan?
I think the first thing is you got to start using it, right? You got to start using it personally, whether it's something as simple as Copilot. I'm telling my kids to use it to design images, right? You have to understand what it is. I really think that's step number one. Step number two is we're saying we want to take that AI capability and bring it into insights. And so the CIOs out there, the partners out there, need to understand how powerful Gen AI is to manage the fleet of the devices and to change your view of how productive your employees are.
Well, you think of productivity, you think about employees, right? I think about relationship with work,
Yeah.
healthy relationship with work, and then you throw in AI into that.
Yeah.
Where do we go from there?
I think it's amazing for healthy relationship with work, because all of a sudden the mundane things that I have to do get jump started, right? Now I can focus on the creative stuff. I can focus on the connections between the different things I have to do. So for me, it has drastically improved my work relationship index, so to speak.
Well, so I have you here. So I want some scoops. I want some scoops on your innovative solutions that HP is working on, or more importantly, what you're excited about.
Okay. So for me, we are all in on employee productivity. And tomorrow we're going to roll out something we call WEX, the Workforce Experience Platform. And this has taken all of the amazing software that HP has for the enterprise and said, you know what? It's all about employee productivity. It's all about focusing on the people and saying, what do they need to do to be productive? What are the tools, the technology that they need to have? And then of course we have to turn it over to our CIOs and say, you need a platform to manage and really monitor that. And it's a new world, right? And so that's a big change for HP. We're focusing all of our commercial marketing, everything that we're doing around PCs and printers on, okay, let's transform the employee experience for the corporations around the world. It's pretty cool.
What do you think about the culture, right? I mean, you have to embed that in the culture. Like, how has that been?
The culture is a ton of smart people with decades of heritage of innovation. And they're saying HP is now at an inflection point. Of course, it's at an inflection point with AI, but more importantly, I think it's at an inflection point saying we're all about services, solutions for our customers. That's a big shift for us as a company, but we're embracing that, we're going all in.
So you said all in. We're in Vegas, just on the outside, people making bets, all in.
All in,
So I'm not going to ask you what bets you're making out there.
Let's not talk about those.
Let's not talk about those. But we'll talk about the bets that you think are the bold bets that you're going all in the tech business world.
So we have a phrase, go big or stay home, go Bosch, right? And we are all in on employee productivity. We are the number one provider of gear for employee productivity. Great. We are all in on solutions and insights for people, for their places, and then to provide a platform to the CIOs. And so we're all in on changing the way people think about productivity in a world of hybrid and AI.
So when I say, I'm going to play this game, Ryan's curious. So one word or sentence, okay? You ready?
Okay, let's do it.
So the future of work is?
The future of work is turbocharged creativity.
Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that was good. The future...
We don't have to do another take on that one.
No, I think we're good.
Okay.
The future of AI is?
The future of AI is bringing all the expertise everywhere in the world to your fingertips.
That's good. You're dominating this round. I got to throw another one. Okay.
Now it's getting tough.
Now we're going to get one more. All right, last one.
Yeah.
I'm going to say a word. You got to tell me exactly what you think at that moment. You fair? It's fair?
Okay, I guess so. We're on camera, though.
We're on camera.
Okay.
All right. The word amplify.
To make it louder. I'm a musician. To make it louder, to make it diffuse, to make it sing,
You want the AI to sing?
I want our partners to sing. I want our customers to sing, right? I want the people. I want the the workforce, we talk about the workforce, we talk about the workplace. I want people to sing on their jobs because they feel like they're winning and they're doing something amazing to grow. That's what makes us all happy as people.
I'm coming to your office and we're going to sing with your team. How's that?
No. We're going to hire some singers.
No.
But yeah. No karaoke in the office, man.
No,
Okay.
I appreciate you.
Okay.
Man,
That was fun.
that was clean. That was clean.